Hello everyone. If you're looking for the best carry-on luggage in 2024, well, you've come to the right place. We've done some deep digging and extensive research, and now we're here to break down the absolute best carry-on luggage options for 2024. We're talking about finding the perfect balance between price and performance, tailored for various scenarios. If you're eager to discover which one suits you best, then don't go anywhere. Stick around till the end because we've got all the links for the best prices in the description below. No specific order, just the top contenders in the game. Ready to dive into the world of the best carry-on luggage? Let's get started. Number 6. July Carry-On Trunk. Let's talk about that clamshell design. Unlike your typical 30-70 split, this beauty opens right down the middle, giving it a luxurious feel. And can we talk about those zipperless clasp closures? Talk about upscale. But wait, there's more. This trunk comes with an ejectable power bank and a multi-stop rubber handle that you can customize to sit at any height you want. Talk about convenience. Maneuverability-wise, this trunk is a dream. Whether you're rolling it over carpet or concrete pavers, it glides effortlessly on its 4 wheels. And even when we switched to 2 wheels, it didn't miss a beat. Sure, it slowed down slightly, but it was still a breeze to move around, with the weight evenly distributed through the bag and handle. And let's talk durability. This glossy exterior is surprisingly scuff-proof. Seriously, even after we gave it a few tumbles off a counter, not a single scuff in sight. Sure, we managed to give it a few tiny dents after taking a swing with a baseball bat, but they were barely noticeable. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this trunk doesn't have much give, thanks to its hard shell and clasp closures. So, you'll need to be a bit more selective with your packing list. But hey, that just means you'll have to pack smarter, not harder. It comes with a price tag of approximately $445. Overall, the July Carry-On Trunk is a stylish, functional, and durable travel companion that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Trust me, you won't want to leave home without it. Number 5. Away the Carry-On Flex. This is all about durability and functionality, without sacrificing an ounce of style. Let's talk space. Despite its compact size, this carry-on offers plenty of room thanks to its 2 spacious interior compartments and a handy compression system. Zip your items on one side, buckle them in on the other, and use the mesh pockets for all your smaller essentials. And for those times when you need just a bit more room, no worries. The zipper expander adds an extra 2.25 inches of space, perfect for fitting in those last-minute souvenirs. Now, a quick heads up. While the expander is a game changer, make sure to double-check your airline's overhead bin allowances. You wouldn't want to end up having to check your bag just because it's 1 inch too large, right? But let's talk highlights. Smooth wheels that glide in any direction, multiple height options for the handle, and a clever notch on the underside of the bag that makes lifting it a breeze, whether you're loading it into a car trunk or tossing it onto a luggage carousel. And can we talk about durability? This bag is built tough. No dents, barely a scratch. Even after we put it through the ringer during testing. We're talking throwing it off counters, repeatedly whacking it with a baseball bat. You name it, this bag can handle it. It comes with a price tag of approximately $325. So, if you're on the hunt for a carry-on that's as sturdy as it is stylish, look no further than the Carry-On Flex by Away. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Number 4. Delsey Chatelet Air 2.0 Carry-On 21-inch Spinner. Trust me, out of all the Delsey suitcases we put to the test, this one stole the show. Let me break it down for you. This TSA-compliant carry-on is a game-changer. It ticks all the boxes. Spacious packing room, tons of compartments for organization, compression straps to make packing a breeze, and get this, a handy USB charging port. Talk about convenience. But it's not just about functionality. This suitcase is a style statement. With its vintage-inspired design and refined French elegance, it's a real head-turner. And don't even get me started on the durability. Smooth zippers, sturdy hardware, you name it. We even put it through some tough tests, like pushing it off a counter and whacking it with a baseball bat, and it came out without a scratch. Size-wise, it's just 22 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 10 inches high. Also, it is 7.7 pounds and 44 liters. It comes with a price tag of approximately $330, and with features like a luxuriously soft liner with antimicrobial technology, and included laundry and shoe bags. Keeping things tidy is a breeze. Oh, and let's talk about maneuverability. This baby glides and spins like a dream on any surface. Whether you're navigating carpets, floors, or even smooth paving stones, it's smooth sailing all the way. So, after 6 months of putting it through its paces on international trips, I can confidently say this suitcase is a winner. Plus, with soft grip side handles, lifting it into an overhead bin is a piece of cake, essential for any seasoned traveler. Trust me, if you're in the market for international carry-on luggage that's as stylish as it is functional, look no further than the Delsey Chatelet Air 2.0. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Sympatico Domestic Carry-On Expandable Spinner 22-inch. It is a real game changer in the world of travel gear. Now, what sets this bad boy apart is its seriously tough outer layer. I'm talking about shock-absorbing material that can handle anything you throw at it, from tight corners to bumpy rides. And let's not forget about storage. This thing's got pockets and compartments for days. Plus, it's the perfect size for all your travel essentials, measuring in at 22 inches wide, 14 inches deep, and 10 inches high. Oh, and did I mention it's got a USB port? Yeah, this baby's got it all. But what really seals the deal for me is the 360° swivel wheels. I'm telling you, maneuvering this thing is an absolute breeze. Whether you're on hard floors, carpets, or navigating those tricky tight corners, it comes with a price tag approximately of $480. And let's talk about reliability. With its polycarbonate shell, you know you're getting top-notch performance trip after trip. So, if you're looking for a suitcase that's as practical as it is reliable, the Sympatico is definitely the way to go. Number 2. TravelPro Platinum Elite Expandable Hardshell Spinner Carry-On. Now let me tell you, this piece of luggage is the real deal. It screams confidence, even if you're a newbie traveler like myself. See, first off, let's talk about that sleek and chic hardshell exterior. It's not just a pretty face, it's tough as nails, crafted from flexible 100% polycarbonate to handle whatever the journey throws at it. And let's not forget the external USB charging port, a lifesaver for those frantic airport moments when your device is on the brink of dying. See, security-wise, we're covered with the TSA-approved combination lock, keeping our stuff safe and sound. Inside, the layout is well thought out, with 2 inner clamshell sections and multiple accessory pockets, including a handy water-resistant pocket for toiletries or damp items. I was pleasantly surprised by how much I could fit into this bag. Everything just seemed to slot in perfectly, and despite the price tag, I truly believe it's worth every penny. And get this, it's expandable. With just a zippered expansion, you can increase its depth by 2 inches, giving you even more room to pack all your essentials. The comfortable contour grip handle makes guiding this bad boy a breeze, whether you're rolling it on 2 or 4 precision glide spinning wheels. It comes with a price tag of approximately $315. Now, while it would have been awesome if they threw in a power bank with the purchase, even without it, I still think this carry-on is a solid investment. So, whether you're taking advantage of the charging capabilities or not, trust me, this luggage is a game changer. Number 1. The Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Now, we've tested out a bunch of amazing suitcases, but let me tell you, the Samsonite Freeform Spinner was a total game changer. It aced every single one of our tests with flying colors. First off, maneuvering this bad boy is a breeze. Whether you're rolling it on 2 wheels or 4, it glides effortlessly on any surface, be it carpet or hardwood flooring. And let's talk about that aluminum telescoping handle. It's smooth, it's sturdy, and it locks in place with just the push of a button. Now, let's talk storage. This all-star suitcase has pockets galore within the main compartment, and when you need a little extra room, it expands with just a couple of inches. Trust me, we managed to pack in enough clothes for a 4-day trip, along with 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, and not 1, but 2 toiletry bags, all without even needing to use the expansion feature. One thing we do wish it had: a separate section or removable bag for dirty laundry. But fear not, it does come with a separator to keep your shoes away from your clean clothes. Now, let's talk style. The sleek, minimalist design of the Freeform is just icing on the cake. With 12 different hues to choose from, ranging from classic white to mint to Miro, there's something to suit every taste. And here's the kicker: even after some serious roughhousing, yes, including a hit from a baseball bat, the polycarbonate high-strength thermoplastic shell remained scratch-free and virtually unscathed. After 6 months of regular travel, this bad boy still looks brand spanking new. Considering its reasonable price, which is $150, durable construction, and spacious capacity, I gotta say, it's a no-brainer for frequent flyers and anyone in need of a top-notch carrier. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our roundup of the best carry-on luggage options. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because you know I always appreciate that. Now, I want to hear from you. Which carry-on luggage are you leaning towards? Drop me a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks so much for tuning in. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful in any way, be sure to smash that like button. And hey, if you don't want to miss out on any of our future videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, take care and catch you in the next video. See you guys later.